Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my another video from Kenya. I hope you all are doing good. Before we begin the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's begin it. So almost 2 weeks back, I was doing a walk with my father nearby, and we saw a park that was not a normal park. That was a very big park that has lake, so many rides for children, and there was a lot to do, and that was very beautiful. But we went there. I took few shots, but the issue was the time was near sunset, so I could not record much. So I decided that I should dedicate a day when I visit there and make an entire vlog. So today is that day. I am now going again there, and let's see how the experience goes. Right now I am at home and I am leaving with my father so that we can visit there. So I will keep you guys updated. Let's go. So while walking towards Uhuru Park, we just saw this. This is known as Kenyatta International Convention Center. So, and there are more buildings over here which are related to government and all. So we just came here. Now walking towards the park because this is on the way. Let me show you these buildings. So we have just entered into Oro Park and I saw a rainbow over here. First let me show you this, then we explore the park. So if you see at my behind, you can see that convention center here at the back. So the park is very near to it, almost 2-3 minutes walk from the convention center. So we are inside the park right now. So firstly, there is a very big lake here and it's very beautiful. People are boating over here around, people are doing horse riding, and there is a lot more that people are doing. So we had to try the boating, but they did not allow us because right now it's 5:40 and they said that the park is closing by 6, so that's why they give boats anymore. Because park is closing early these days because of the curfew timing, which is 8 p.m. or else it is closed till late. So boating we cannot do. Let's see what else is here to do. a lot more to do, especially for kids. Kids have different type of rides, different activities to do, while adults have so many activities as well, which includes boating, horse riding, and go-karting. So there is a lot that people can do over here. Some people are here for picnic, they are relaxing, they are sitting, and some are enjoying the rides. So along with rides and all the activities, there are so many stalls, including food, popcorn, ice cream, and cotton candy, and there is a lot more. And moreover, there are more stalls where you can shop things related to their culture, includes clothes, jewelry, especially the handmade jewelry. So all these things are available here. So this building that you see at my behind, this is Britam Tower. That's the tallest building of Kenya, and that's third tallest building of Africa. So in Pakistan, usually when we go out, the largest bird that we see is eagle, and that's not too big. But over here, the birds that I'm seeing are way too big. They're huge. So we are out of the park, and now before we go to home, we have to buy food. And basically we wanted to have food outside, but the issue is that due to lockdown, dine-in is closed in entire Nairobi. So we take away food and go back home and eat there. So we have reached Chicken Inn and we are waiting for the food. We will take it away and then go to home and then eat it. So we have reached back home and done with dinner. I had to take some shots of food, but I was too hungry that I could not stop myself from eating it. So I could not take the shots. So we are done with dinner, and this is where I will end this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And drop your suggestions in comments, whatever you want to. If you like this video, if you want to give your suggestions, if you want something, if you want me to do a collab with you or anything, then you can just comment. So thank you so much for all your support till here. See you very soon in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.